Again, getting all set up, and he's up for a shot. There you go. As you can see, there's balloons down there. Now those balloons are about the size of a rabbit, so 20-yard shot. There you go, nice shot. Third arrow. Nice. Took her out. Okay. That's 2 out of 3. Four out of 3. Nice. Nice. It's in the pocket. It's in the pocket. There we go. Setting up for another shot. There we go. There we go. The results.
All kill shots.
All kill shots.
All kill shots.
There you go, guys. Results. We got 5 out of how many shots we got here? We got a good 4 out of 7 shots in the center there. That's a good archery. All right. Thank you, Blues Heart 59. Y'all take care.